By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which guitar to choose for yourself or for your child, whether that be the acoustic guitar or the electric guitar. Stay tuned and we're going to jump straight in. First, we're going to take a look at the acoustic guitar. So if you're a parent on a budget, or maybe you're just testing the water with your child to see if the interest is there and you want just a low commitment first, then the acoustic guitar is the better option, because these guitars you can get relatively cheap for a little as £30. And you can also find these in charity shops for next to nothing. And then you can try it out with your child and just make sure they like it at first. Also, with the acoustic guitar, you need very few accessories. And there are two different sizes of these. There's a half size for age 4 to 6. And also there's a 3/4, which is from age 7 to 12. The classic nylon strung guitar is more forgiving on the fingers because, unlike the electric, the strings are made from nylon and plastic, so they don't hurt as much, and you're going to get less complaining from your kid in the early stages of the style of music that maybe your child wants to play. Now, I know from teaching thousands of children that usually it's around about 12 or 13 that a child really develops their musical taste. So if your child is just looking to play basic tunes and Happy Birthday, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, then this is a perfect choice. To the electric guitar. Again, we have different sizes of electric guitars. We have full size, which is for, I'd say, 12 plus to adults. And then we have this kid's guitar here, which is a 3/4 electric. So you're going to need a few more accessories with a electric guitar. So you're going to need a cable that it plugs into this here, which you can see, which is an amplifier. Got the heart set on playing rock music, then this is definitely the one. And it comes at a little bit more expense. So some guitar shops actually do a package where you can get just all the accessories of the guitar, a guitar strap, the amplifier, and the lead to plug in for around about £100. And one of the most common questions asked is, if you learn on an acoustic guitar or you learn an electric guitar, can you switch between both? And that's very true, you can. But they have the same number of strings, and the frets the same, and the way you play the chords and everything, the notes, is all the same. So once you can play one, you can play the other. Quickly to summarize here, the acoustic guitar is a low commitment option and comes at a lower cost. So you can just really help your child to test the water, to make sure guitars for them are a really low commitment. The electric guitar, you're going to need more accessories like the amplifier, the cable, the guitar strap. I'm David Aldridge, and if you'd like to learn more about me and how I help children learn to play the guitar, then you can visit my website where I have books and courses, if that's of interest to you, and the link is in the description. If you found this really helpful today, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos just like this. Also, I have a playlist in the description which is completely dedicated to parents and children who are just getting off the ground or thinking about starting to learn to play the guitar. So I've got little short video tutorials like this that are answering most of those common questions. So please do go and check that out. And until next time, I look forward to seeing you then.